Typically 12 to 6, this is how it is. Okay, what does it tell us? 10th problem. 5:45. Oh, this is 3:45. Okay, wrong clock. Okay, 5:45. Let me do this.
Ma'am, is it southwest?
Mm, no, a watch reads 5:45. Okay, so this is my 12, 3, 6, and 9. This is 5, the hour hand, 45 minute hand, correct? A typical watch. Everyone agrees? Yes? Now, if the minute hand points north, this is pointing north. He wants you to answer where would the hour hand be?
Ma'am, is
No.
it southwest?
Southwest, correct? So just remember the angle made by these hands of the clock. Okay, that will make your life much easier. Actually, this will be closer between 6 and 5 and 6. Okay, as it moves closer to 6 o'clock. So at 5:45, the minute hand points north, correct? Yes, and therefore, what direction will the hour hand point? Somewhere around this way. So your answer would be southwest. Tenth problem. 11th one. hmm,
Ma'am, would the 11th one be northeast?
Check your answer. Why will it be northeast? The time on the watch is quarter to 3. That means 15 minutes to 3 o'clock or 2:45. Okay, the clock is given here. Minute hand points northwest. Therefore, our hand will point. You went with northeast, no?
Yes, ma'am, I got
Hmm.
it, but I was wrong. I think I
Hmm.
drew the clock wrong.
I know. So most of us are used to digital timing, right? On the phone, on the computer. I mean, hardly any of us look up
No,
at the
I think
wall.
I think at my
Yeah.
our hand was like not exactly opposite.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I think
But
I
it
drew.
does. Okay. This is the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So now what's your answer? 11th one?
Ma'am,
Mom,
Sou-
isn't this?
Southeast.
southeast.
Yeah. Yeah. You had a doubt?
Yes, mom.
Tell
I
me.
didn't understand that. No.
You'll have to speak up. What is
I
the doubt?
mean, how it became south.
See, the time on the watch is quarter to 3. What does quarter to 3 mean?
3:15.
No. Quarter to 3 means 2:45. That is the time. Quarter is 15 minutes, right? Or one fourth of an hour. Okay. So quarter to 3 means it's 2:45.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Hmm? So this is the time. And now he is given us that if the minute hand is pointing to northwest, where would the hour hand point? Southeast. Okay. All right, next question. A watch reads 10:10. Come on, do it.
Ma'am, is it southeast?
Yes. This is your 10:10. A watch reads 10:10 if the minute hand points southwest. Uh, Minute hand has to point southwest. Sorry. Okay. But you know, the minute hand is now pointing southwest direction. Remember, all of this direction, this space between south and southwest, even if it's a 10 degree, 20, 45, whatever, this is all southwest. Okay. So the minute hand is now pointing southwest. What direction will the hour hand point? She gave the answer southeast. Okay. Any doubt? No, right?
No, mom.
Okay. Next one. Please do the next one. 13th one.
Is it northwest?
Yes. Be more confident. It is northwest. A watch reads 7:30 if the minute hand points west. I don't know if I have. Okay. So we'll just draw it. Sorry. So what does the question tell us? 13th one. A watch reads 7:30. If you know at 7:30 how the watch looks like, correct? This is your 7 and 8. At 7:30. So the hour hand is here and minute hand will be here. Or maybe the hour hand will be slightly to a little more to between these two. Okay, a little bit. So a watch reads 7:30 if the minute hand points west. The minute hand points west. This is my west. In what direction will the hour hand point? It will be a small angle, but what is the direction? This is wrong, no? A option. 13th one, A option, northwest. Is everyone clear how we got northwest?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the previous problem. Okay. Sorry, I got confused. Okay. All right. So these are the clock problems we did from question number 9, I think. Yeah, 9 to 13 were all clock problems. How do you find these problems? Do you find it slightly tricky or are they easy?
I think they're more difficult than the rest I've sent, like the ones that
Yes.
we've done before.
Correct, correct. Because in the direction pole, he simply gives you that the angle has moved, right? It moves by 45 degrees or it moves by 90 degrees or 135. More than that, I've never seen them give a change in direction pole. It's quite simple. Once you get the hang of it, you know the entire thing will move. With time, what happens with clocks is each time you have to kind of imagine a wall clock like this, which kind of points, which has two hands, the minute hand and the hour hand, and how they are angled. Okay, so it does take a minute or two for you to get um, used to it. But once you start doing several problems, and if you take the time to actually look at the clock, you know, once in a while, you'll know which way or what direction the hour hand and minute hand is pointing at. Okay, and then it will be much easier. Of course, we'll have some homework problems on this. Okay, so do we take a break here? We'll take a 10-minute break and come back in by 11. Okay, and we'll do the rest of the problem.